So I know finding cute hairstyles can sometimes feel beyond difficult. I was actually looking back at some of my older videos and old photos the other day, and I realized at that time I thought I was so good at hair. But now, after more than 12 years of working in the hair industry and building Thanh An Hair, I know I've gotten so much better with time and practice. So, today, I want to share with you some simple, easy, and super cute hairstyles. What I love most about these looks is that they appear like they took a lot of effort, but in reality, they're not difficult at all. Let's get started. Hairstyle number 1, half up, half down pigtails. The first hairstyle we're going to do is one of my favorites, the half up, half down pigtails. It's quick, playful, and guaranteed to get you compliments. Part your hair evenly down the middle. Section from the crown down to the ears. Tie the back section away with the scrunchie to avoid kinks. Brush and perfect the front 2 sections. Secure each into pigtails with hair ties. Smooth flyaways with mousse, water, or hairspray. That's literally it. No heat, super quick, and always a hit. Honestly, the hardest part is just the parting. Everything else can be done in under 5 minutes. Hairstyle number 2, Braided Beauty. The second look is a gorgeous braided style that actually went a little viral on TikTok recently. Section your hair into 3 parts like before. Work with the front sections. Add mousse to smooth. Start braiding. 3 strands, add small sections as you go. Secure with the tie at the ends. Add accessories like ribbons or bows for a cute finish. Braiding takes practice. I've been doing it since I was a teenager and I'm still improving, but don't stress, it gets easier every time. Once you're done, just let the rest of your hair fall loose and you'll have the cutest girly vibe. Hairstyle number 3, Y2K Bubble Sections. Next up is a Y2K inspired bubble hairstyle. It's fun, trendy, and gives off that playful vibe that I love. Section your hair into 2 main halves. Then subdivide each half into smaller sections. Secure each with mini elastic ties to create bubbles. Repeat until you have symmetrical bubble rows. It's so nostalgic, so Y2K, and honestly it looks like you put in way more work than you actually did. Easy, stylish, and Instagram ready. Hairstyle number 4, half up with side part. For the 4th look, I'm going with something a bit more polished, a half-up ponytail with a side part. Section from behind the ears. Tie the back hair away. Create a side fringe part with a comb. Slick the rest upwards with mousse or water. Secure into a ponytail. Release the side fringe and brush it down. This one is snatched, clean, and chic. It's professional, but still fun. Takes under 3 minutes, but looks like a salon finish. Hairstyle number 5, sleek bun with accent braids. Now let's wrap it up with the final hairstyle, a sleek bun with tiny braided accents. This one is such a statement piece, but still so easy. Part your hair down the middle. Create a unicorn section at the front and tie it away. Slick the rest back into a sleek bun at the crown. Take the front section, split it into 2, and braid each tightly. Secure the braids with tiny elastics. Leave them loose for a playful frame or tuck them back for a polished finish. This is such a versatile look. No heat needed, just sleek, stylish, and perfect for almost any occasion. And there we have it, 5 easy hairstyles straight from Thanh An Hair. After more than 12 years in the hair industry, these are styles I still go back to because they're quick, stylish, and timeless. If you try any of these looks, tag us at Thanh An Hair on Instagram or TikTok. I'd love to see your recreations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments which hairstyle was your favorite today. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you, and I can't wait to see you again in the next video.